Don't kick the table.
I'm not going to kick
He's going to kick the table.
I'm not going to kick the table.
There's going to be a massive smash. There's tea everywhere. Hi guys.
Hello.
Welcome to California time. You join us today in our new home studio.
Here it is. Yeah, we've got sick and tired of sitting in the van, basically on the drive, in the dark, in the cold, filming videos. It's not that we're sick and tired of filming videos, it's that we're just sick and tired of being in the dark on the drive. So we thought we'd...
And the neighbours, quite frankly, think it's all a little bit strange.
They do wander past and point, which is a bit off-putting. Yeah, we thought we'd do a bit of decorating at home, sort things out, use a room that we don't really use for anything else. So we thought, let's turn it into a kind of California room.
Mini studio.
Mini studio, yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, bit of artwork, which is a bit odd because there's lots of pictures of us in the artwork, which seems odd going into a room where there's pictures of you everywhere, kind of staring at you. But
They're nice though.
Yeah.
Nice pictures.
they are.
Good memories.
Yeah, they are. There's some other historic ones on there. There's one up here, which is just about out of camera shot,
see it.
which is of our old van.
Whipsy the First.
Whipsy the First, yeah. So we need to do a video about our video history, don't we?
Yeah.
Our Cali history. So
Next
we can do
year.
that. Yeah, yeah.
Next year.
Yeah, because we've got plenty to talk about actually in this video, haven't we? In terms of what's coming up.
Yeah.
So without any further ado, then what have we got coming up?
Well, we've got lots more content coming up. So next week we are doing a Christmas kind of special on gift ideas for campervanners and people who are interested in campervanning.
Yeah, we know it's coming around to that time of year where we're trying to figure out gifts to buy and need some inspiration. I always need inspiration of what to buy. So I think we're going to do 10. We started off with a long list of about 15 things. I thought some of those are rubbish. If you'd have given me those, I wouldn't have been very happy.
Thanks.
So
That's nice, isn't it?
Some of them are rubbish. So I think 10 is 10. There's a good 10 actually. So yeah, we're confident that hopefully that should give you some inspiration. Yeah. We're going to try and film that over the weekend, get it out on Tuesday because we know like time's pressing on that. So watch out for that. Hopefully you'll get some ideas from that.
Should be good. And another surprise kind of Christmas special more of a celebratory kind of Christmas special. So
absolutely. And we've got another couple of things coming up as well. So we've got this, which looks like a black can of Coke, but it's not. This is a Anchor Nebula Capsule Max. Got it right.
Yeah, you did. Well
projector. Battery power. Battery powered. It's rechargeable.
You're an 80s child, aren't you?
It's got batteries in. Yeah, so rechargeable projector works fantastically in the Cali. We're doing a full review of this coming up, and it works well in the house as well if you want a really, really, really big telly. So yeah,
the full-on movie
watch out
experience.
For that. Other big news, which if I get it right, I can do a bop, bop, bop. Big news. Sorry, it's terrible.
What is it, Will? Do tell us.
This is a draw runner.
Yay!
Which means, God, I nearly hit myself in the head with it. It's very heavy. We finally had the delivery of these draw runners, and that means that we can fit our special little drawer.
Yay! We're going to be members of the Little Draw Club.
Little Draw Club.
The Little Draw Club. Finally. I felt very jealous of all the other people out there who have been telling us that they have the Little Draw.
I can see a T-shirt coming on. I'm a member of the Little Draw Club.
Be a good talking point, wouldn't it? Walking around town.
I've got a little drawer. So yeah, we've got that coming up, haven't we? Yeah. And just as soon as I get some light and I'm not working and I can get outside with some daylight, then I can obviously film it. And I don't want to fit it without filming it because I know that's where you guys get a lot of the value. So yeah, we'll make sure we do that.
Yep.
What else we got coming up? We've got the Sportline Transporter Black Edition tomorrow. Black Edition, very important. It's got coilovers. It's got just an incredible interior with the diamond stitching like Audis have. And
Apparently, if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. It's just an incredible
I didn't know.
van.
But I know now.
I know that they cost about 55 grand. So, which I suppose in the scheme of things with a Cali, that sounds quite reasonable.
Yeah, but you don't even get a kitchen.
No, you don't get a kitchen. I think the one that we're driving is a panel van as well.
Okay.
Don't even get rear seats. I think it's just literally a couple of seats in the front and then just an empty space.
Dog will enjoy the back of
For
that.
your 55. Oh, yeah, that's a point. Have to tether her down, won't we? She'll be fine. So, yeah, I know it's a little bit off topic for the channel, but we get quite excited about vans generally. I actually saw a new Caddy today as well.
Did you?
Yeah, when I went to the doctor's. And I had that almost sinking moment where I thought, oh, you know what, that's quite nice, that.
Why would it be a sinking moment?
Well, I don't know. It's very small, completely impractical for us, but I quite like it still.
Okay.
But what it did say to me, though, in my head, actually the Cali, which they're basing on the Caddy California, actually, I think could be a real winner.
Could be quite cool.
Yeah, could be really cool, actually. So, yeah, looking forward to seeing one of those in the flesh. So, yeah, we're doing the filming for that, for the Sportline on Saturday morning coming. We are also going to do the heater video, aren't we?
Yeah, a few ideas about doing the heater video, and we've had some comments from a couple of people asking us to do a heater video because the T6.1, sorry for guys with the T6, the heater is dead easy in the T6.
And
switch it on,
works.
it makes it warm, you switch it off, easy. T6.1, it's got these weird controls like heat immediately, heat continuously.
Yeah,
ventilate. It takes forever, it seems, to switch between the modes, and everything's just a bit confusing. So we'll get that done, and hopefully that'll help people out a little bit. And I think you've seen a video from a chap in Germany who's done a bit more testing as to what it's essentially like climate control, what heat levels give you.
Yeah, so he's put a thermostat inside and then ran it at each of the different temperatures.
That's a much better way of saying it.
Yeah, to see what level you want to have it at, basically. So yeah, we might have a go at that too. So
again, just need to wait for some daylight and
get that filmed.
Get that filmed. So that should be good. Yeah,
that's that. So I think that's what we've got coming up, isn't it?
And
we've got loads of other ideas to do. It just needs daylight. We really need some daylight to do some of this stuff. So yeah, you might find that there's the odd review of stuff which is a few shots in the van, some in the kind of Cali studio here. I don't know. We just need to think it through, don't we?
Yep.
We have been working really hard on having a new logo because those of you which have been with us from the start will, and seen our videos obviously, will know that our current logo is lazy. It's rubbish, isn't it? It's basically
He's criticising himself here because he came up with it. So that's almost why I spat my tea out.
And let's be honest, it's a C and a T in a circle. You know, and admittedly,
bit like that.
Just like that. Which, you know, it's basic.
It's lazy. I'll call it basic lazy. If you're going to call it that, it's fine. Yeah,
Americans would call it basic, wouldn't they?
Yeah,
and not in a nice way.
No.
So we've been working really hard on having a new logo, and we've finalised all of that.
It's exciting.
Last night. So yeah, really exciting. We've got it. It's still a circle. We've got it made up into some vinyl stickers as well. They should be with us in about a week's time.
And important, we're not changing the name of the channel, guys.
Yeah, good
anything
point.
like that. It's staying as California
still
time.
California time.
It's just trying to make it
jazz it up a bit.
Yeah.
Make it exciting.
Yeah, make it exciting.
Rather than a basic C and a T.
And a California time.
So yeah, look out for that. Don't be surprised if you see it starting to appear on videos and those kind of things in due course. It will take us a bit of time just to get it out there, but sticker-wise, we're excited to have those. It still feels strange to us to, I suppose, be recognised through the channel, and just kind of be out there and know that people are interested in watching this kind of stuff. Actually, still feels a bit odd. So we feel, I don't know, we're just we kind of copy what other people do and go with it, and not in a, I would try not to in content terms. We try to make it original, but doing stickers and whether we do a T-shirt or whatever. Or, I don't know.
I want a hoodie.
You want a hoodie?
I like hoodies.
So we might do some of that stuff, but stickers are on the way. They're on the way. And if you want a sticker,
and if you want a sticker,
if you want a sticker, what are we doing?
We are going to the NEC show in February, which is the
Comic-Con.
Well, it's kind of Comic Con for camping, isn't it?
I don't know. We're going dressed up.
Dressed as a tent.
Oh my god.
No, we're not. So it's the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show.
Where's the name? What about campervans?
It does do campervans as well. I think I think they call us unlovingly motorhomes. We are campervans.
Why are we going?
Because we have been to it before.
Because there's a whole hall
and there's a whole
dedicated to campervans.
Whole hall. I can't quite get my words out, but it's dedicated to more the camping kind of side of things. So. Hall 5, I think it is, that's there. They've got all manner of bits and pieces. We've printed out the floor plan here.
We've printed out the floor plan. There's a few on here which we're really excited to go and see. So Hillside, Campervans, Dirty Weekend, Loudhams are there with Heimers and Summits. Westphalia are going to be there. Bilbo's. There's some amazing converters which are going to be at the show, so really looking forward to seeing all those.
And then for you guys who are interested in awnings and bits and pieces like that, Van Gogh, Outwell, Quest, Camper I think are there, Coleman. It's brilliant.
Outdoor Revolution,
yeah. And a couple of years ago Van Gogh did a kind of competition as to how quickly you could blow up one of their tents, so yeah, give that a go.
We'll see. And don't forget Campervantastic are there as well, so they'll be there. I'm sure they I think every time we've seen them at a show, they've had a Cali. They're obviously a Cali rental company down in London, so definitely check Campervantastic out if you're there. Steve, who runs it, is a lovely guy. He was the chap who organised the trip when we went to see the factory in Germany as well, so we know Steve quite well. Lovely guy, always has a load of accessories and other bits and bobs on the stand, which are always good to look at. If you want to look at any Brandrup stuff, actually in person, he tends to just decorate the entire van in Brandrup.
Not move in the van for the amount of Brandrup in there.
So he's usually got a good display of a load of stuff. Even if he might not have it in stock at the show, at least you can see it before you buy it. So that's always good to see.
So there's loads of things to see at the show.
Yeah, loads of good stuff to see.
I say we've been a good few times before. There's Caravan and Motorhome Club are there, Camping and Caravanning Club if you want to have a chat with them and see about their sites and their membership. Lots of stalls for holiday ideas for Europe, the UK and things. Can't wait, actually. Time to get back to a show.
Oh, it's been a long time, hasn't it? It really has.
We missed Busfest, which was a shame because we were up in Scotland. But
it's the 22nd to the 27th of February, isn't it? We're going to be there on the 26th of February. We might try and go on another day as well, just to try and do some filming and things when it's possibly a little bit quieter. But we're definitely going to be there on the Saturday the 26th. We think we're going to be at the Campervan feature area in Hall 5 between 12 and 2. We'd love to meet you, so please do think about coming and saying hello. We're normal people. Yeah. We're just approachable people.
Get your tickets and come and see us. We want to see you.
Because you can grab a sticker.
Hey!
Come and grab a sticker from us if you see us. Just
We might even be sporting a California Time hoodie by then.
Oh, no pressure on me then. I'll get knitting, shall I?
Knitting.
we might. We'll have to sort something out, won't we?
T-shirt, hoodie, something. I don't know. I fancy it.
Somehow, I think we'll be spotted.
Maybe.
If somebody,
you just need to keep an eye out for a tall one and a short one.
both
standing around munching our lunch between 12 and 2.
Both quite round. It's probably fair.
Might be a little less round by February.
Maybe.
You never know. Yeah, you never know.
Or two people, thin, one tall, one short. Yeah, we're like that. I'll go with that.
Yeah. We'll give that a go.
So we'd love to see you there. Come and grab a sticker. Great stuff. Be great to have a chat. Anything else to catch up on? that's probably
I think we're
about it, isn't
probably
it?
about done. Yeah.
So all of that new content that we've just talked about, we'd love you to subscribe, because when you do, and you hit the little notification thing, what that does is it pops your little message up saying that we've posted a new video. So if you really want to know when we're posting new things up, we tend to do them on Tuesdays and Fridays, but if you do want to get notified, hit subscribe, hit the little bell thing, and it will tell you when we are putting up new content. So hope that's been useful.
Yeah.
Just a quick update, and we look forward to talking to you soon when we do our Christmas gift special.
Yeah. And hopefully we'll see you at the show in the new year anyway.
Let's hope so.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.
Cheers.